How to fix the issue of Social Blade not showing your channel's name. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Then before going to Social Blade website, simply go to your YouTube channel, click on your profile icon and copy the username given right below your channel. Then go to Social Blade website. You can simply search for Social Blade and you will see the result at the top. Click on it and now you simply need to paste the name of your channel and then you will be able to see the name. If you are still not able to see the name of your channel when you type the username which you just copied, it is because minimum 5 number of subscribers are needed for the channel to find your YouTube channel. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.